Following the State House Anti-Corruption Unit investigations into the mysterious death of Pastor Gideon Mukisa of World Trumpet Ministries, WTM, in Seguku on Entebbe Road, Makindye Magistrate's Court has charged and remanded a one Godfrey Mukisa Yiga. Mukisa, a car dealer, has been charged before the Makindye Grade One Magistrate, Irene Nambatya. He has been charged with conspiracy to commit a felony and doing a rash or negligent act that allegedly led to the death of a 29-year-old Pastor Gideon Mulinde. Prosecution, led by Noah Kunya, has told court that the accused and another one still at large allegedly sneaked into Yesu Medical Center and forcefully administered medicine which caused Pastor Mulinde's death. Court has heard that Yiga, a resident of Nyanama in Makindye Division, together with Dewis Tumusime, who is still at large, on September 23, 2021, forced their way into Yesu Medical Center and allegedly administered some medicine to Pastor Mulinde that is said to have caused his death. The duo is said to have acted in the capacity of medical workers, giving medicine which had not been prescribed to the deceased. It is alleged that the medicines were in the types of rabeprazole, esomeprazole, and mucagel. Yiga's defense lawyer, Derek Ninsima's plea to secure bail for him has been fruitless, as the prosecution told court that it is still carrying on the investigations and working close to see that Tumusime is also arrested. Yiga has been therefore remanded to Kitalya prison until 14th October. Pastor Gideon Mulinde was a son to Apostle Dr. John Mulinde of WTM and married to Faith Michelle Mulinde, a Malaysian national.
And that's what I feel. I feel, Lord, what is tomorrow bringing? Where am I going? Where is this work going? All these visions we've been sharing with Gideon and talking about this inspiration, what is going to happen to them?
He was last week laid to rest at Kanganda village in Champ Sub-County, Mukono district. During the burial, Colonel Edith Nakalema, the head of State House Anti-Corruption Unit, vowed to investigate the culprits and have them charged accordingly.
I will ask for forgiveness to those of you who will be offended for this, but for me I have to speak it because I am doing it. We actually have already arrested one of the people who came with the medicine and gave it to our son, and he passed on suddenly. The doctor who allowed people to come and give medicine in that hospital, we are investigating him. I don't mind the relationship. We are not going to hurt him, but he has to do his work daily.
Dr. Andrew Kawesa, a medical superintendent at Yesu Medical Center, assured Chagwe TV that indeed Yiga, together with Tumusime, administered some drugs to Pastor Mulinde.
Of course, when we came in to resuscitate him at 6 p.m. when they called us in, we received information from the wife and later from the gentlemen themselves that they had given him extra treatment that wasn't part of our prescription, which one of the guys had gone down to our nearest pharmacist down, and he had bought some drugs which he told me were rabeprazole and mucagel, which are basically drugs used for ulcer treatment, and he had given him some. However, I cannot really ascertain if really that was rabeprazole and mucagel as such. But when they were doing the investigations, we were able to show them what exactly the gentleman had given the patient as per what they said.
Dr. Kawesa says it was at that moment, after taking the medicine, that the deceased reacted, and efforts to have him reinstated were futile.
Around 6 p.m., they called us in when his condition had changed. And I found him, he was unconscious, gasping. We tried resuscitation, which failed, and he later passed on.